When you open up the newspaper, if you do, not many people do today, but you look on the internet or on TV, whether you're looking at your community, our country, or the world, it is very easy to feel completely overwhelmed and fearful, but we don't have to. In Revelation 1:8, it says, I am the Alpha and the Omega, says the Lord God, who is and who was and who is to come, the Almighty. Take comfort in those words. We've read the book to the end and we know how it turns out. In the meantime, though, what are we to do? One of the questions that I often ask people in coaching is, if you left this earth tonight, what regrets would you have? I cannot tell you the number of times the answer to that question would be the piles of paper that I'm leaving for my family. In many cases, it's decades of paper. Through the years, I found that paper is the hardest thing to organize. Why is that? Because it represents our hopes, our dreams, our fears, our expectations. And in order to handle those papers, you have to go through emotion. With the help of community, you can do that. I hope that you will join us on our programs to give you the systems and the accountability and the community that you need to organize the paper in your life so you are not leaving a mess for the people you love.